Hello, and welcome to the DRIVE-THRU on Demand family. We are excited to have you with us and look forward to its successful partnership. In this video, we will help you set up your MatrixPad S7 device, download and install the DRIVE-THRU on Demand restaurant app, and adjust some settings to make sure the tablet is working as consistently as possible. First, we want to power up the device and select Start in the middle of the screen. The device will automatically search for available Wi-Fi options. Select the network you wish to join and enter the password if required. The device will then automatically check for updates. This may take a few moments. Once it updates completely, the device will ask if you want to copy data from an existing tablet. Select Don't Copy. The tablet will now have you log in using a Google or Gmail account. Sign in with your account or select Skip in the bottom left-hand corner. The device will then ask if you will allow Google to back up your device for worst-case scenarios. Scroll down or tap More, then tap Accept. The device will then ask if you'd like to add a passcode to get into the device. We suggest you skip this step to allow for easier access to the tablet. Once you select Skip in the bottom left corner of the keypad, it will have you confirm that you want to skip. Select Skip Anyway. Next up is Google Assistant. It will ask you to check out what's trending with Google Assistant. Select Next. It will then ask you if there's anything else you'd like to set up. Select No Thanks. Finally, it will say you can access your Google Assistant with your voice. Again, select No Thanks. Now we are ready to download the app. The first step is to tap the Google Play Store in the bottom right corner of the display. In the search bar, type DTOD Restaurant and hit Search. Select the app titled DTOD Restaurant with the black arrow. When the app page appears, tap the green Install button. Once the app is downloaded and installed, a green Open option will appear. Before we jump into the app, let's adjust some settings. The default notification sound is not quite loud enough to cut through the hustle and bustle of a busy restaurant. We have found a good option to replace it. Tap the Chrome option to open the internet. In the search bar, type notificationsounds.com and hit Enter. Once the page loads, select the Menu button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Categories, followed by Wake Up Tones at the bottom of the list. Once the page loads, we want to select the Loving You option towards the bottom of the page. Once this page loads, tap the red download button. 3 options will appear. Select the MP3 option for Android. This will download the correct audio file. Next, we need to install it. Tap the white dot at the bottom of the screen to return you to the tablet home screen. Tap the gear icon to view the tablet settings. Once the tablet settings appear, we want to select Audio Profiles. Once Audio Profiles is open, tap the General option, followed by Edit. This will bring up a new page. Select the default notification sound option. This will open a list of possible notification sounds. We want to scroll to the very bottom of the list and select Add Ringtone. It will most likely ask if you want to use media storage or custom ringtones. We want to use media storage. Once this opens, tap the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner of the screen, then select Downloads. The Loving You audio file should appear. Tap it and the list of ringtones will reappear. Select the Loving You option and tap OK. Now, the Loving You ringtone will play whenever you receive an order. Let's jump into the app for the first time. The app will first ask you to log in or register. Make sure you use the email you originally signed up with. Once signed in, the device will show you a tutorial on how to use the app. Tap the arrow in the top left-hand corner to see the main order screen. At this point, you've set up the app and we need to run through a test order. To initiate this process, send an email to support@drivethruondemand.com with the subject line Test Order. In the body of the email, make sure you include your restaurant name and a good phone number where we can reach you. Once sent, you should be contacted by one of our live representatives to conduct the test order and clear up any issues that may have arisen. Once again, thank you for joining the Drive-Thru On Demand family, where we make every restaurant a drive-thru restaurant.